Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project plans from Wrike to Smartsheet. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer project plans from Wrike to Smartsheet, first, log into your Wrike account. Open the project plan you want to export. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. Select Export from the drop-down options. Choose the Export to Excel format. Download the Excel file to your computer. Next, open your Smartsheet account. Create a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon. Select Import from the menu options. Choose Import Excel to upload your downloaded file. Locate and select the Excel file that you exported from Wrike. Click Open to start the import process. Smartsheet will prompt you to map the columns from your Excel file. Ensure that each column in your Excel file aligns with the corresponding column in Smartsheet. Make any necessary adjustments to the mapping. Once you are satisfied, click Import. Review the imported data to ensure everything transferred correctly. You can now customize your Smartsheet project as needed. Finally, save your Smartsheet to maintain the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.